Have you ever looked at a fraction problem and thought, wait, how am I supposed to add those? They don't even have the same numbers on the bottom. You're not alone. Fractions trip up a lot of people. But here's the good news. Once you understand the one rule that makes it all work, adding and subtracting fractions becomes almost easy. Today we're going to solve a real problem together. 3 fractions, different denominators, step by step. No tricks, no memorizing, just understanding. Let's go. Before we jump in, let's understand why fractions can be tricky to add. Think of fractions like slices of pizza. If one pizza is cut into 4 slices and another is cut into 3 slices, the slices are different sizes. So you can't just count them together and say you have 5 slices of the same pizza. That doesn't make sense. To add fractions, the slices need to be the same size. In math terms, the denominators, those numbers on the bottom, need to match. When they match, you simply add or subtract the numbers on top, and the denominator stays the same. When they don't match, we need one extra step first, finding a common denominator. That's the whole secret. Our problem has 3 fractions, 3/4, 2/3, and 1/6. The denominators are 4, 3, and 6, all different, so we can't add yet. Step 1 is to find the least common denominator, which is the smallest number that all 3 denominators divide into evenly. One reliable way is to list multiples. Multiples of 4, 8, 12. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12. Multiples of 6, 12. The first number that shows up in all 3 lists is 12. So our least common denominator is 12. That's the denominator we're going to use for every fraction in this problem. Now we rewrite each fraction with 12 on the bottom. The key rule is this. Whatever number you multiply the denominator by to reach 12, you must multiply the numerator by that exact same number. That way the value of the fraction stays the same. You're just cutting the pizza into smaller, equal slices. 4 3/4. 4 times 3 equals 12, so we also multiply the top by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3/4 becomes 9/12. 4 2/3. 3 times 4 equals 12, so we multiply the top by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2/3 becomes 8/12. 4 1/6. 6 times 2 equals 12, so we multiply the top by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1/6 becomes 2/12. All 3 fractions now have the same denominator. We're ready. Now the fun part. All 3 denominators are 12, so the denominator stays 12. We only work with the numerators on top. We have 9 plus 8 minus 2. 9 plus 8 is 17, and 17 minus 2 is 15. That gives us 15/12. Notice we never touched the denominator. That's the rule. Once the denominators match, add or subtract the tops only, and keep the bottom as is. Almost there. 15/12 is mathematically correct, but we should always check if the answer can be simplified. Ask yourself, is there a number that divides evenly into both 15 and 12? Yes, 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 15/12 simplifies to 5/4. If your teacher asks for a mixed number, 5/4 means 4 goes into 5 exactly once with 1 left over. So it's 1 and 1/4. Either form is correct. Our final answer is 5/4. Let's do a quick recap of the 4 steps. Step 1. Find the least common denominator, the smallest number all your denominators divide into evenly. Step 2. Convert each fraction into an equivalent fraction with that denominator. Step 3. Add or subtract only the numerators. The denominator stays the same throughout. Step 4. Simplify the result if you can. That's it. 4 steps, and you can handle any fraction addition or subtraction problem, even one with 3 fractions and 3 different denominators, just like we did today. If this lesson helped you see fractions in a new way, go ahead and subscribe. We have a whole series of math lessons coming up that build right on top of this skill, and each one is going to make math feel more and more like something you actually get. See you in the next one.